Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Infiniti and I am back again with another knitting session. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change color. It's super easy, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I have chosen to use my swatch from another tutorial, and this is going to serve as my color A. It's very dark. So what I want to do is use a much lighter color B to show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to pick it up, and you can choose to attach your yarn either on your knitting row or your purling row. I'm going to go ahead and do it on my purling row because I always start off my rows with a knit stitch. So what I'm going to do is insert my working needle knitwise into my first stitch. And as you can see, I've already clipped off my yarn. So I'm just going to lay that guy down to the side. And I'm going to zoom in some for you guys. Alright, and what I'm going to do, you have the option of creating a slip knot with your color B. I just like to loop mine around my working yarn as though I were going to work up another row of stitches. And I'm just going to knit with it and slide it off my needle. Alright, so now that I've knitted that on, I'm going to just go about purling for my entire row. This is my purl side of my swatch here. And I'm going to tension my yarn. I'm going to go ahead and insert my needle purlwise into my next stitch and go ahead and work my row as normal. Now when you do change your color, make sure you have enough of a tail on that first stitch in case you end up like tugging at it and sliding it so that it doesn't pull out. I'm going to flip this over because I always knit the last stitch on my purl rows just for my edges. Alright, and so what I have now is a row of color change. So now I would go about knitting my entire row. I'm going to go back and fix this guy. But now you can go about knitting up the rest of your stitches as you normally would, and I'll come back with a sample of that in a moment. Alright crafties, so what I have done is I've done like two or three more rows, and then I cast off, and this is my little swatch. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you all. If so, go ahead, leave me a comment down below along with any other kinds of questions you may have regarding color change. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and check out other videos on the channel as well. I do hope to continue on with this knitting series. Just let me know what you think, and don't forget to check out my other social media. And until next time guys, happy making.